Alright, here's the randomization for the Deion Sanders FSU helmet. It's going between Trevor, which is posted under Billy Josh, and Brad. Brad had the Cowboys, and Trevor had the Falcons, as long as tenure was 5 years. I'm going to go over here. Let me type live. Actually, there we go. Live. 11:35, 11:35. Trevor, Brad. We're going to do 5 or greater on the dice roll. We have 9. Good luck. Alright, Brad's on top on round 8. Go back over here, type in final round. Good luck. $11.36, $11.36. And the winner of the Florida State Deion Sanders helmet is Brad. Congrats, man. There's your code. Done. 9 rounds. 11:36, 11:36, 11:35, 54. Congrats, man.